Hey guys, I can't believe it's already been a year since I've been in my new house, and the cats have adjusted so great to their new home. So I thought I'd go back in time and show you the first day I brought the cats home and all the honking and meowing and hysteria that ensued. And of course now it's nothing but peace and quiet and calm in our home. And as you can see, Teddy is sleepy and smiley, where a year ago he was a little honking hysteria going on. So enjoy. Tedder, what you doing? Tedder? Where are you going next? Hey, Tedder. Hi. Come on, Teddy. I'm waiting. I hear you. Tedder. Tedder. Come on, Teddy. Come on. Come on, Teddy. Come on. Come on down. Hi, Stash. Come on down. You guys can do it. Come on. You got this. Teddy. Stashy. Come on. Come on. You got this. Come on, Teddy. Hi, Stash. Bindi. Come on, Bins. Bindi. Bindi. Teddy. Come on. Bindi.
Come on, Bindi.
Come on, Bindi.
Come on.
You want to go upstairs? Come on. No, stop that. No hissy. Bindi, come on. Come on down, Bindi. Come on, Teddy. Yep, peace and quiet.